Hello kids! It's rainy season. So today we will see some rainy creatures. So are you all ready? Oh, who are you?
I am a frog. I am a rainy creature. My color is green. I can hop. And my tongue is very long. I can eat flies with my tongue. Bye bye.
Bye bye, Mr. Froggy. Now let's meet the next rainy creature. Hello, who are you?
I am a rainy creature. My name is Snail. I walk very slowly and I have a shell on my back. Okay, bye bye everyone.
Bye bye, Mr. Snail. Now let's meet next rainy creature. Who are you?
I am a rainy creature. My name is Earthworm. My color is brown color. I like to stay in the mud. I have no eyes, no hands, no nose. I have only a mouth to eat.
Okay, Mr. Earthworm, you can go now. Now it's time to call our last rainy creature. Hello, who are you?
I am a rainy creature. My name is Slug. My color is brown color. I have two antennas, two eyes, and a mouth. I walk very slowly. Okay, kids. Bye bye, everybody.
Bye bye, Mr. Slug. So, kids, today we saw 4 rainy creatures. So, hope you all enjoyed this. Now it's time to say bye bye to me also. Bye bye, and please subscribe my channel.